outside, beautiful day. There she is. There's Bay. That's Bay. Alright y'all, what's up? Back at you guys with another video once again. Just kind of giving y'all an update on the status of my car. Right now, she's been down for some transmission issues. So I was waiting on parts to come in. They finally came in. So probably within the next couple days after Christmas, we want to get the car towed down to Andy Ashman's shop in Oklahoma City, AA Performance. And we'll get the car fixed from there. And hopefully we'll be back up and running. Start getting the tune retweaked, do a couple adjustments, and we're going to be focused on getting the car ready for next season. And also, as you guys can see, I finally got some of my merch in. So for those of you who pre-ordered, thank you. I've been trying to get those orders out to you guys. And like I say, once again, thank you guys. If you guys want to order some of this merchandise, just check it out on my website on Teespring. I will be sure to drop that link in the description below. You guys can order off of there, get that merch sent straight out to you. And then right now, the car's been sitting for a while with that E85 in it. So I'm going to give you guys a cold start. I mean, it still starts up. Just right now, when I go to engage or shift to another gear, the transmission will not go into another gear. So I ordered brand new parts for it. We're going to tear it out and get it built. But for right now, like I said, I'm going to give you guys a quick cold start and let you guys hear what this thing sounds like if it starts. That's if it starts. It's had E85 sitting in it for about the past maybe month or so, and it's been real cold here at times in Oklahoma, and I haven't started it, like I said, in the last month. So give you guys a cold start and go from there. Track day. She's real dirty. She's been sitting since the last track day, so I'm gonna try to let it warm up. As you can see, my ethanol content is at like 83%. AFRs are looking good. She's just trying to get warmed up right now, so yeah, it'll be a good second. Let everything get warmed up. Like I said, it's been sitting for a good run. That cold start, man, that was a real cold start right there for y'all, bro. buddies. We'll get this thing towed to the shop. We'll get those parts put in, and then I'll be getting the car retuned and getting it all set up so I can do some test hits and get ready for next season. We got a couple events coming up. Probably get into some stuff with the guys over at 660 Street and do a little bit of Mexico trips. And then once the track opens back up around these parts, we'll try and see if we can dive deeper into those 10s. You know, that's kind of the goal for next season before I go any bigger. And for you guys that follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, you guys will know that lately I've been talking about what turbo I want to run, and I finally come to a conclusion of what turbo I want to go to once I set the time that I think is the fastest that I can go on this 20G. And if I feel like I've hit that wall on this 20G, then I'm going to go with that turbo that I've posted for you guys that follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to get that turbo, and we'll try to set a new goal with that one, see what we can get with that, you know. But other than that, got other little things I want to do to the car as well. So we will keep you guys updated as parts come in. And like I said, I just wanted to get a cold start going on this, let the car warm up. It's been sitting for about a month. Right there, she's idling good. You know, my AFRs are looking good. Oil pressure's looking good. And so I'm just happy to be sitting back in this car right now. It's been a long time, man. I miss this car a lot. I'm gone a lot for work, and when I'm at work, I drive equipment, and then my daily car is my Honda Accord. So when I'm driving that and I get in this, it's a completely different feeling. I've been missing this car a lot since it's been down, so I'm ready to get this car back up and running so I can get some more content for you guys, as far as, you know, maybe doing some pulls, some reaction videos, some street stuff, some track stuff. So if you guys haven't, I actually uploaded 2 videos where I did an interview letting you guys know what's done to this car. And I've also had a cinematic shot by my guys over there at Slammed Life. So if you haven't checked those out, I will link those videos in the description below so you can check them out. And you know, that'll be it. But while this is warming up, I'm gonna go get some of my my boxes that came in for this car. I'm gonna open them up and show you guys what we got ordered for it, so we can get her fixed and get her back running. So just hang tight. I'm gonna go get those boxes and I'm gonna open them up for you guys. She sounds so good. Just had idle. Man, that E85 smells so good. Don't worry about my bumper. I'll fix that whenever I launch up the track. It always pops out on both sides. So we'll get that fixed. Don't worry about that. But you know, got it one time. Man, I love these wheels. I had them up for sale, and then I came to my mind, I came to my senses, changed my mind on selling these wheels. But I'm gonna get in here, show you guys what we got in the boxes. Shout out to Define, shout out to Spec. And also, if you guys didn't know, we just picked up a sponsorship from Mishimoto. I got some parts coming in from them as well. We'll probably do an install video on those parts whenever they come in. So like I said, once again, shout out to my guys over at Define Performance. I get some of these parts from them. And this thing's dirty. I'm gonna have to wash this car. But let me hop in, show you guys what we ordered, what we got coming in. Alright, so first up, we got from Killer B Motorsports. I love those guys. I'm running their header and their oil pan and baffle setup on this car. I love their products. So I ordered something else from Define Performance for them guys. I figured I'd need it. And it is their what else we got here? Like I said, man, shout out to those guys over at Killer B Motorsport. They make some damn good performance parts. running the factory STI one. I got like 3 more like this. I figured I'd order something else like this. It should work perfectly. It's a little bit lighter. It should work perfectly with my Cobb short shifter kit. I had one in the vehicle and I pulled it out and I went with the factory throw, but I think once I pull my transmission out, I'm gonna put the Cobb short shifter back inside the car and run it with this Killer Bee shift knob. Feels pretty good, nice material, and I think on the website they said it doesn't get hot in the summer, so we should see how this works out for me. Real lightweight feel, nice quality, you know, nothing too crazy, simple stuff, nice product from Killer Bee. So once again, thank you to Jordan for getting that out, and shout out to Killer Bee once again for making a good product. I will be sure to run this on my vehicle as well. So yeah, thanks to them for that. Next up, from Rally Spec, shout out to those guys over at Rally Spec. What we ordered was all new synchros here. So we got 1st through 6th synchronizers, and yeah, so all these right here should help fix my issues that I've been having as far as getting locked out of 3rd gear under heavy acceleration when I'm doing a pull at the track. Sometimes 3rd gear gets me locked out, or it's rough to go into and it grinds. So for that, I decided I gotta pull the transmission anyway, since right now I'm locked out of gears. I just went ahead and ordered these synchros from Rally Spec, and they got them to me in a good time for a good price. So now all I gotta do is get the car down to the shop, get these put in, and do the break-in and see how it goes, man. Like I said, we're trying to fix all the little things going into the 2020 race season so the car can be solid. I'm trying to do more events as far as racing goes. I'm trying to get more seat time. I really want to get this car out there as far as a competitive car, and I want it to be solid. So that's pretty much all I got, man. These 2 parts right here, they should help me a lot. They should come in hand they should be real handy for me. Also, like I said, my merch came in. I got the white design and the black design. On the black design, this is the hoodie. I ordered this for my wife. This is the front. It says La Sucia Racing. And then on the back, sorry if I'm shaking it up for you guys. I only got one hand right now. On the back, that's pretty much what it is right there. And then it shows who my sponsors are at the time of this design. These are the only companies I had, but since then, like I said, we've acquired Mishimoto as a sponsor, and I won't say that they sponsor me, but I use Spec clutches in this car. I have a Spec Stage 3 Plus, and after it's been broken in, I love that clutch. It's a light feeling clutch, perfect for street driving and daily driving, and perfect for the track. So I love it, I swear by it, and if I ever need to upgrade clutches, I'm going to stick with Spec. And then also, you know, like I said, we got Killer Bee Motorsports on board. We got all the parts that I run. So for my next design, I'm going to probably have the brands of every part that's on this car, every major part that helps. I'll probably put their brands on the next design as well. They don't necessarily have to be sponsors, but because of those brands and because of the parts that they make and the quality of those parts, they help get this car to where it's at. So for the next design, we'll do something like that. And I just just want to send a huge shout out to my boy Daryl Smith. He's the one that came up with these designs that are on the merchandise that I'm selling right now. So if you guys don't know, you can follow him on Instagram at HV_Smith, I believe. If not, I'm gonna link his Instagram below in the description. You guys can check him out. He also does photography, videography, graphic design. Anything you guys need, hit him up for some work. He can get that taken care of for you guys. So like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. Check him out. And that's pretty much all I got for this update for you guys. I just wanted to let you guys see a cold start from it. Give you guys an update on where the car is as of right now. So after this, probably the next video you guys will be seeing is me taking the car to the shop. We're gonna talk to Andy, have Andy give you guys a little bit of information about what we're gonna do for the car and stuff like that. So thanks for checking in. If you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, share these videos. We're trying to grow this platform. I want you guys to be along for the journey as we start to do amazing things with this car. I just want you guys to be along for the ride. So I just want to say thank you guys for all your support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.